Hi everyone, I'm going to walk you through how to use and set up your new SideTrack portable monitor. First, you'll want to check out the ports on your laptop to determine which cords you will need to use. If your laptop has a USB-C port, or has a letter D for DisplayPort, a Thunderbolt symbol, or is on a Mac laptop, it will be able to transmit both power and data with just one USB-C to USB-C cord. If you don't have the USB-C port that can transmit both power and data, then you will need to use both the mini HDMI cord and the USB cord. The USB cord can be plugged into the A or C type port on your laptop. Once you plug it in, you'll see the SideTrack screen light up. Keep in mind that your laptop screen needs to be unlocked for the SideTrack screen to display. If you have any issues getting connected to your new SideTrack, please reach out to our all-star customer service team or check out our troubleshooting page. Now that you're all plugged in, we will go over how to navigate the menu so that you can adjust the settings to your preference. On the non-touch screen monitor, push the wheel button to bring up the menu. Move the wheel button up or down to scroll, and press the wheel button to select. Short press the on and off button to return. Once you've adjusted your settings, you'll be ready to have the most productive day. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy your new SideTrack.